Do you want to learn how to make this baby blue color using just one paint and one pigment? But this one is special, and I want to teach it to you. Use the products of your choice, but I will use this good paint and this very strong pigment, and see how with just a few drops I make the color baby blue. No more mixing multiple colors of pigments, just one color, blue. Look at what will come out of this, folks. It's very easy to do. And see the coverage power of this paint. As you saw, I mixed full water into the paint because it is very concentrated. There you go, folks. Beautiful color. If you liked it, leave a like and subscribe. This is the only way you can help the channel grow. More each day,